Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel Stuff Survival. My name is Oren, and today I'm making a review about the Signature Lite Victorinox multi-tool. So let's start. First, I'm going to tell you that it's really small. You can see it's the size of my pinky. I got the blue one, and let's start talking about the tool. So first we have the keyring, like every Victorinox. Next we got the pen. This is a ballpoint pen. It's in blue color, and I will show you. You can see it write pretty well for like putting your signatures or stuff like this, and you can see it's pretty well for its size. So next we got the scissors. So Victorinox has the best scissors I ever see or you can ever find on a multi-tool. So you can see it's cut pretty well, the best actually, and it's so sharp, the scissors are so sharp that you can cut it like this. So this is the scissors, really good one. Next we have the nail file. So the nail file is for nails, of course, but you can use it to sharpen stuff, for making them sharpen like a knife or like something. And the next tool is the 2.5 millimeters screwdriver. You can use it as a Phillips and flat. And this is the blade. So the blade is really small too. It's 2 of 3 parts of my pinky, and it's really sharp. You can see how sharp it is, and I'm barely putting power on the blade. Okay, so this is not so good. Let's put in a little bit more power, and you can see how good it is. So you can see how it's sharp like razor blade. Okay, so the last item is the flashlight. So the flashlight is really good, and to use the flashlight you just pressing on the Victorinox symbol like this. You can hear the click, and I don't have any batteries on the flashlight, but it's really good one. And this is it, the Victorinox Signature Lite. Really good for guys that want small tools and with good uses for the tool. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Have a good day and goodbye.